Hello everybody, welcome back, Fumbler here. And yeah, I just found another very nice BKS lock on eBay. And just look at this. This is just pure beauty. I mean, this looks rather brand new to me, and it was really cheap for that. Yeah, so super happy that I found it. Even came with a box. 2 additional keys are in here. And here's one of the keys. It has an amazing bitting. 5-pin lock, and yeah, it looks like the normal BKS PZ88 Euro cylinder. This looks like a half euro almost, only the tail piece is different, probably in here. Yeah, let's listen for this very nice shackle pop. Super nice. Of course you can gut it. We will hopefully do that in a moment, and then we will find out if this has also the possibility to pin it up to 6 pins, because you might remember its bigger brother I featured in a video before, where I actually found out that this has a possibility to be pinned up to 6 pins, and I cut a key super nicely and it works with 6 pins now, and it became super hard to pick. Currently I cannot pick it, not today. The pinning was not typical BKS style. Let's hope this is. So spools in the front, then T-pins and a standard in the back. This gives very good pick resistance and will give me quite some fun. So let's get it in a vise and hopefully get it picked. See you back in a moment. So here we are back in the vise. Here's the key again. Looks just fine. Nice, satisfying shackle pop. So it's locked back up. Let's put the tensioner in. We'll use the one in 1mm, which barely fits in here, but the thin end does the trick. And use a medium hook, PN07 from Multipick. Yeah, let's go. Of course, clockwise tension. And I want to start from the back where it's 5. And now the spools are somewhat binding, I think. Okay, that was 2. And then 1. For 1 you just need to tap it. So 2 is good. 3 is good. 4. And we're open. Nice. So let's get it out of the vise. And we can cut it. So no real surprises here, only also we can see that it could be pinned up to 6 pins. So yeah, very cool. Let's still have a look at the pin effectiveness. It's not such a short key pin. So yeah, driver in 5 is blocking the shear line perfectly. I had some issues with too short drivers with BKS locks, but here it is perfect. Yeah. So this is the situation. Do you see in 4 the T-pin directly in the thin part, so it's not giving it its full potential. Also, I never felt the spool part in one, so yeah. Yeah, this is what it looks like. So we have spools in chambers 1 and 2, T-pins in 3 and 4, and a standard in 5. So pretty much the BKS standard bitting or pinning. Still, very cool lock, and yeah, challenged me a bit when I got it. So yeah, we'll see if I pin it up to 6. But I have done that in the past, so might not do it here. We will see. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next video. Bye.